I'm going to add in our tequila. Woo! There you go. Oh, the magic of cooking. So much flavour, you will not even believe. Now first off, we're going to get those prawns singing with flavour. So I'm going to make a really simple marinade, some garlic and some coriander roots. So much flavour in those coriander roots. And if your store only stocks the coriander to the stem, then just use some of that stem as well. So into there, and I want a little bit of salt as well. I want to get that flavour paste straight on those prawns. And then I also want to add some cumin, some ground cumin, and a little bit of sugar, which is going to help with the caramelization in our wok. And because we're doing tequila prawns and tequila loves lime, I'm going to add some lime zest and some lime juice to this. All right, now just mix that through, and already those smells, the garlic, the coriander, the cumin, so good. Now because this marinade is so action-packed, it really doesn't need a lot of time. In fact, I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes while I finish off my other bits and pieces for the tacos. So I'm gonna use some shredded cabbage. You could use lettuce if you like. Totally up to you. A little smattering of some roughly chopped coriander leaves. I want some avocado because I just love that little bit of creaminess. Now a bit more lime juice over that. Just going to toss this together, break up some of that avocado. So I have some warm tortillas, I'm just keeping them warm under a tea towel. I have some chopped red onion, and so I am ready to go for the fun part. So I know it's a wok, I know we're cooking Mexican food, but I love the wok because it gets a super high heat, which gives us a really beautiful charriness on the outside of our prawns. But you could do this in just a normal, regular frying pan, cast iron skillet, any of those things is good. Just make sure that your pan gets really hot. Okay, in go my prawns. Ah, the smell of this already, so good. Now, these guys have tons of flavour with this marinade, so if you wanted to leave the tequila out, no problem, just leave it out. But what the alcohol does is the alcohol burns away and then it leaves behind a beautiful fragrance, aroma, umami flavours. So we're not just doing it because it's fun. Well, it is fun too, but we're not just doing it because it's fun, we're adding the tequila because it also adds flavour. These prawns are looking really good, so I'm going to add in our tequila. Woo! There you go. Oh, the magic of cooking. So much flavour, you will not even believe. Ah, amazing. We're ready to assemble, so I just want a couple of these warm tortillas, some of our cabbage and avocado mix. And these prawns really are beauties, my goodness. Those on there. A little bit of red onion, a few coriander sprigs. Now, as you know, I like things spicy. We're yet to see the spice. So what you need is your favorite hot sauce. It can be an Asian hot sauce, a Mexican hot sauce. I happen to have this truly epic coconut sriracha sauce, which I have made myself. If you can't get a hold of it though, just use your own choice of hot sauce and just a few wedges of lime. And that, my friends, is one perfect taco in my book.
Thank you, bartender. Good ready.
All right. Talk to you.
Talk to you.
Do you want another one?